Hi, my name is Joaquin and I'm doing a salmon. Recipe for salmon. We need 4 fillets of salmon, 1 lemon, 4 spoons of balsamic vinegar, 4 spoons of mustard, 2 spoons of honey, 4 spoons of soy sauce. 6 potatoes. 6 potatoes, olive oil, and
Salt.
Salt.
Okay, perfect.
Hi, we are going to the supermarket to buy all of the ingredients. Yeah?
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Now we have the salmon right in here and we're putting it up.
Let's go.
Let's go to finish it. Let's go. So first we need to cut the potatoes. We already peeled them and cut them. We need to cut them in little squares. That's what we did. Yes? So now we're gonna put them in the tray. And then we're gonna put them here. And we're gonna put it in
200
in 200
degrees.
Yes?
Yes.
So then we're gonna put the oil and then the salt.
Okay, let's put the potatoes in the tray.
I'm gonna put them.
Mommy, you get to make it over.
Wee! Go.
Perfect.
Now we need to split them. Mommy, can you help me with this part? That's splitting. This part is splitting. Can you help me with this? Now I already mixed them up. So now I'm gonna put them in the oven. It's really hot. Can you put it in? It's really hot. Yes?
Do it, just don't touch the tray. Perfect.
Mommy, ¿Paco me va a hacer papas a mí?
And now we're gonna do?
So now we're gonna do the potatoes. Do you want to see how it mixed? Look, it's turning like a tiny bit orange. Yes.
Okay.
Now we are going to do the sauce. First, 4 spoons of vinegar. Oh, it doesn't have more. Anyway, you're gonna use 4, yes? Spoons. Now we need 2 spoons of this one. How do you say it, Mom?
Honey.
Honey. Yes. So I'm gonna take it out. Now I'm going to put honey. 2 spoons of honey. Yes. 2.
Honey. Uno.
1, or more. 1, 2 spoons of honey. 2 spoons of honey. Now 4 spoons of how do you say?
Mustard.
Mustard. Yes. So where's the spoon? Oh, I'm opening it. Doesn't open.
And now,
Mustard.
eso no me gusta.
Mustard. More mustard, and I think there's no more. One more we need to do. There. Go down. It doesn't want to go down. Seriously. No. Now I need to do that one. 4 of this one.
Soy sauce.
4 of soy sauce. This one's the difficultest one because look, it goes everywhere. Can I just put it this?
No, because you won't be able to measure it.
It's really difficult. 1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4.
4.
Perfect.
Now I'm gonna mix it.
Paco,
Where should I put this?
I'll put it on the table.
No, let's put it there.
Okay,
because
let's put it here. So now what are you doing?
I'm mixing it.
Mixing.
Mixing it.
mami, yo también quiero hacer papas y esto.
Okay.
Martina, do you want to mix it?
No, yeah.
She wants to do it like this. Faster. There's okay. That's okay. Next, we gonna cook the salmon. So first you need a tray. After you need to put a chicken foil in
A kitchen foil.
a kitchen foil in the tray. Then you're gonna put the salmon in the kitchen foil,
Mommy,
and after you're gonna put the salt in it, all over it, and then you're gonna put like this in there, yeah,
Okay.
in the top of the salmon.
Let's do it.
So next, I'm gonna put this out of the way. Out of the way. And now I'm gonna put the salmon. Should I touch it?
With both hands. Otherwise it will... Exactly. Perfect.
There.
1,
When you touch it, it's really yummy when you touch it.
Okay, perfect. What do we do next?
3, go!
Now we're gonna put this on top of it. Can you help me with this one?
Okay.
This part. I'm not really good at this one.
Perfect.
Yeah.
What do we do next?
Next, we're gonna put this in here.
What about the lemon?
The lemon now we need to put, sorry. This goes there. Sorry. Moving there. There.
Perfect. No, it's okay.
There. That's how you put it.
So now we
Gonna-
make like a bag.
Yes.
Remember?
Yes. And
Perfect. Great. And now it goes
we're
to
gonna
the
put it in
oven.
the oven
How much time?
for 20 minutes.
Great.
And I have a break for 20 minutes.
1, 2.